Hello, classic car lovers. Welcome to AZ Classic Cars Cheap. Here, we'll be discussing classic Prostreet cars, from their brutal looks, ferocious engines, to their spine-chilling build details. If you love muscle cars, drag racing, and classics with extreme modifications, subscribe now and go with us. One, 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $42,000. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Middletown, Connecticut. A head-turning 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe that blends classic muscle attitude with proven show car pedigree. This red-on-black icon has earned its spotlight in Super Chevy and Hot Rod magazines, as well as featured calendar appearances. Striking exterior lines are paired with a bold black interior, creating a timeless performance look that never goes out of style. Power comes from a petrol-fueled engine matched to a smooth automatic transmission, delivering confident cruising and unmistakable Camaro presence. Fully paid off and clearly cared for, the car reflects true enthusiast pride of ownership, built to be admired as much as it is driven. Offered with no trades due to a full collection, this Camaro stands as a rare opportunity to own a magazine-recognized classic that speaks loud, looks sharp, and carries true muscle car credibility. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $36,000. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. A legendary piece of American muscle, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe commands attention with its aggressive all-black exterior matched by a deep black interior, reinforcing its intimidating, no-compromise attitude. Beneath the hood sits a ferocious 468 big block engine, built to deliver massive torque and raw power. It is paired seamlessly with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing strong, reliable street performance. Power is sent through a rugged 12-bolt rear end equipped with steep 4.56 gears, giving the car explosive acceleration and a hard-hitting driving experience that muscle car enthusiasts crave. Fully paid off and carrying a clear history with no significant damage or known issues, this Camaro reflects a purpose-built setup focused on performance rather than cosmetics alone. Serious, loud, and undeniably powerful. 3. 1986 Dodge Daytona Turbo Z. Price, $3,000 OBO. Location, Waterbury, Connecticut. This 1986 Dodge Daytona Turbo Z is a true 1980s performance icon, offered as a project car, making it an ideal candidate for restoration, modification, or a period-correct turbo Mopar build. Finished in classic red with a black interior, this Turbo Z features desirable T-tops, adding to its collectability and retro appeal. Powered by Dodge's turbocharged four-cylinder engine and paired with a manual transmission, this Daytona delivers the engaging driving experience these cars are known for. The vehicle will currently run with a jump, as the battery has been sitting dead for some time and will need replacement. Additionally, the radiator leaks from one of the side tanks, which will need attention before regular driving. The car has already seen meaningful work, including a new turbo core and oil feed line. Mileage is believed to be between 55,000 and 60,000 miles when parked, though approximate. This sale includes a valuable collection of parts, along with the original window sticker and a full set of factory service manuals, all 3 volumes. These items alone add significant value for enthusiasts. Rust is present as disclosed, including bubbling at the driver's door sill, a driver's floor pan replacement needed, a rocker repair, and a small passenger side floor patch. This is not a quick flip or daily driver-ready car, but rather a solid foundation for someone who understands classic turbo Mopars. 4. 1985 Dodge Daytona Hatchback 2D. Price: $8,000. Location: Clarksburg, West Virginia. This 1985 Dodge Daytona Hatchback 2D is a clean, well-kept example of Chrysler's early turbocharged performance era, offering classic 1980s styling with an engaging manual transmission driving experience. Finished in black over black, this Daytona presents as a sharp, sporty car that has clearly been cared for, showing approximately 60,000 miles and just 2 owners. Under the hood is the desirable 2.2L turbocharged engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering the fun, responsive driving experience these cars are known for. The seller notes the car is garage-kept, starts right up, and is ready to cruise. It was recently driven several hours to Mopar Nationals, which speaks to its roadworthiness and overall reliability. While not a concours or show-perfect car, it is described as a nice driver-quality example with significant money invested over time. The car runs strong when on the throttle and performs well at speed. There are a few minor quirks typical of a vintage turbo Mopar. It may hesitate to idle at stoplights, likely needing a throttle body cleaning, runs slightly rich, and has a small oil leak. None of these are presented as major mechanical concerns, and the car remains fully drivable as is. The exterior and interior are both reported to be in good condition, especially for a 1985 model, making it increasingly rare to find one this presentable and unmodified. The seller is firm on price, not interested in trades, and not motivated to sell, suggesting confidence in the car's condition and value. 5. 1971 Dodge Dart Demon 340. Price: $17,500. Location: Warwick, Rhode Island. This 1971 Dodge Dart Demon 340 is a rare and desirable muscle car, combining classic Mopar styling with modern performance updates. Finished in vibrant red with a black interior, this Demon has only 1,111 miles since its recent mechanical rebuild, making it a near turnkey driver for collectors and enthusiasts. The vehicle is fully paid off with a clean title, and it has no significant damage, presenting a solid foundation for enjoyment or further restoration. Under the hood, the car features a clone 340 engine, upgraded with a comp cam Big Mother Thumper camshaft and lifters, along with a new timing chain. Power is routed through a newly rebuilt 727 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance on the street or cruise nights. This combination delivers the iconic, Hemi-like Mopar sound and aggressive performance, while retaining drivability for modern roads. The Dart Demon's body is solid, retaining its original lines and character, though the seller notes that a trunk pan replacement is needed. Extra parts are included with the sale, including an additional hood, making it a great opportunity for someone looking to complete or enhance the car. The clean exterior, upgraded drivetrain, and low mileage since rebuild make this Demon a standout example of early 1970s muscle. Perfect for collectors, weekend drivers, or those looking to showcase a rare Mopar icon. This 1971 Dodge Dart Demon 340 offers an exciting and authentic driving experience for muscle car enthusiasts. 6. 2006 Dodge Charger Daytona Sedan 4D. Price: $7,000. Location: Gardiner, Maine. This 2006 Dodge Charger R/T Daytona offers an affordable entry into modern Hemi-powered muscle, with classic Daytona styling and proven road manners. Finished in red with a black interior, this special edition Daytona has been a dependable driver, well suited for someone seeking a strong-running performance sedan with practicality. Under the hood is the well-known 5.7L Hemi V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering solid power and highway comfort. The car shows 153,000 miles, but the seller notes it has been reliable, regularly making longer trips without issue. There is a slight Hemi tick, common on higher mileage examples, but it has not affected drivability. Modifications include a loudmouth exhaust, cold air intake, and Sony stereo. The stock exhaust and intake are included if the full asking price is met. Maintenance highlights include a new radiator, alternator, and both front wheel bearings. Structurally, the frame is solid with only surface rust, while minor rust spots on the driver's side rear fender are cosmetic and typical for a Northeast car. 2 winter tires are included, adding year-round usability. 7. 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. Price, $40,000. Location, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. This 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner is a true Mopar muscle car, powered by big block performance and classic 4-speed attitude. Finished in green and showing approximately 78,000 miles, this Roadrunner offers an authentic late 1960s muscle car experience, featuring the kind of drivetrain enthusiasts actively seek. Under the hood sits a 440 cubic inch V8, delivering the raw power and torque that made the Roadrunner name legendary. Power is sent through a 4-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control and an engaging, old-school driving experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. This combination makes the car ideal for collectors who value performance, sound, and mechanical connection. The car is described as a solid, driver-level muscle car rather than a fully finished showpiece, leaving room for personalization. It currently runs straight headers, giving it an aggressive tone, but it will need a proper exhaust system installed. The car would also benefit from a rear bumper replacement and new carpet, making these relatively straightforward improvements for the next owner to address while continuing to enjoy the car. With its desirable big block engine, manual transmission, and classic Roadrunner styling, this 1968 Plymouth represents a strong foundation for either continued driving enjoyment or a light restoration to take it to the next level. Located in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, this Roadrunner is a great opportunity for Mopar enthusiasts looking for a real-deal muscle car with power, presence, and upside. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Roller. Price, $21,500. Located in Gilmer, Texas, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Roller offered here is a classic first-generation Camaro, built as a dedicated drag racing platform. This vehicle is being sold as a roller only, meaning it does not include an engine or transmission, making it an ideal foundation for racers who already have a preferred drivetrain or are planning a custom build. The car previously ran in an old-school back-half configuration, reflecting its roots in traditional drag racing construction. The chassis setup features a Smith-Racekraft front suspension, a respected name in race-proven components, providing a solid and reliable front end designed for straight-line performance. The back-half construction allows for larger rear tires and improved weight transfer, making this Camaro well-suited for high-horsepower drag applications. The seller notes that the car can be sold in several different configurations, indicating flexibility depending on the buyer's needs and intended use. Condition is described as used, but like new in terms of its racing configuration, suggesting the chassis and body remain in good overall shape. This Camaro is not a street cruiser, but a purpose-built race shell aimed at serious buyers who understand the value of a properly constructed roller. Trades may be considered, and interested buyers are encouraged to communicate directly to discuss details. Located in Gilmer, Texas, this 1969 Camaro represents an accessible entry point into first-generation Camaro drag racing. For enthusiasts seeking a well-known platform with classic styling and proven race heritage, this Camaro Roller provides a strong and adaptable starting point. 9. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Offered at $50,000. Heat. As listed, this 1963 Nova comes powered by a 412 small block. The engine features an Eagle 4340 steel crank, H-beam rods, Wisico blower pistons, Dart aluminum heads, Jezel rockers, and a billet 6-71 BDS supercharger, fed by twin 750 CFM carburetors. A NASCAR special ground camshaft adds extra punch, and ignition is handled by a full MSD system with a crank trigger 200 kit. The drivetrain includes a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a trans brake. The car is described as streetable on pump gas, with all lights functioning, and comes with super slick body and paint inside and out. As noted by the seller, the body is all steel, except for the bumpers and trunk deck, and all glass is intact and functional, including the roll-up windows. The listing notes the car is turnkey and fully functional. The seller is asking $50,000, or may consider a trade, for a nice 4-link roller with cash on top. Located in Huntsville, Alabama. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price, $19,000. Location, Cedar Creek, Texas. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe offered here is a second-generation Camaro, built with both street and strip performance in mind. Finished in a charcoal exterior with a matching charcoal interior, this car maintains a cohesive and aggressive appearance. With over 123,000 miles recorded, it reflects long-term use. Combined with significant performance upgrades the heart of this Camaro is a 498 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, with only a few passes since its build. The seller notes that the engine runs perfectly and includes a documented build list for reference. Power is transferred through a Powerglide transmission to a Chrysler 8.8 rear end, a setup chosen for strength and reliability. New tires are installed, making the car ready for immediate use. This Camaro is described as a capable A-body style performer, one that does not discriminate between street driving and drag strip duty. The seller is open to cash or trade offers, with interest in clean diesel vehicles, boats, motorcycles, or land, reflecting flexibility in transaction options. Located in Cedar Creek, Texas, this Camaro Z28 presents an opportunity to own a well-modified second-generation Chevrolet with serious power potential. For enthusiasts looking for a versatile muscle car that balances everyday usability with strong drag racing capability, this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro stands as a compelling option. 11. 1967 Mercury Cougar Prostreet. Price, $49,500. Mileage, 26,375 miles. Location, New Carlisle, Ohio. A menacing blend of classic luxury and raw Prostreet muscle. This 1967 Mercury Cougar stands out in deep black with a matching black interior that amplifies its aggressive presence. Freshly restored with less than 100 miles since completion, the car started as a low-mile, rust-free example and has been transformed into a purpose-built street machine, petrol-powered and paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The drivetrain delivers strong, confident performance while maintaining streetability. Fully paid off with a clear history and no significant damage, the Cougar reflects careful craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout the restoration. Built to be admired and driven, this car offers a rare opportunity to own a freshly finished Prostreet classic that combines vintage Mercury style with modern muscle attitude and undeniable road presence. 12. 1992 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed Prostreet. Price, $55,000. Mileage, 600 miles. Location, Troy, Ohio. A brutal yet beautifully refined Prostreet build. This 1992 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed showcases extreme performance, wrapped in a clean charcoal exterior with a sharp black interior. Sitting on a custom Jim racing chassis from Dayton, Ohio, the truck features precision rack and pinion steering and a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear end engineered to handle serious power while maintaining control. With only 600 miles driven since completion, the build remains in like-new condition, blending show-quality craftsmanship with street-ready attitude. Petrol-powered and paired with an automatic transmission, the setup delivers hard-hitting performance while still offering respectable efficiency for its class. Designed to dominate both the street and the spotlight.